Have you ever wondered how hackers or cybersecurity experts find someone's location just using an IP address? In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how it works step by step and how you can try it yourself for educational purpose. Let's begin. Step 1. What is an IP address? An IP address is like a digital home address. Every device connected to the internet has an IP. Whether it is a phone, laptop, or website server. It tells us which country and city the user is from, which ISP internet provider they are using, sometimes even more information if it is not hiding. Step 2. How do hackers track you with an IP? Hackers or security researchers use freely available tools and websites to track the approximate location. Identify which internet provider you are using. Sometimes link your IP to past activity if it is logged online. This technique is often used in OSINT open source intelligence investigations, tracking suspicious users or attackers. Step 3. Tools we'll use today. We'll use ipinfo.io website and API, iplocation.net for cross-verification, command line tools curl, Python optional for automation covered later. Step 4. Practical track an IP address. Example IP 8.8.8.8 Google Public DNS. Method 1. Using the website. Go to ipinfo.io. Paste the target IP. You will get city, region, country, ISP, approximate coordinates, ASN anonymous system numbers. Method 2. Use command line with curl. curl ipinfo.io / your target IP address. It returns a JSON response like this: IP, hostname, and target locations. Step 5. Optional. Use a Python script with the help of request library. Let me open Nano and give you a code example. Import request library. Store your IP as a variable. Print IP, city, region, country, and coordinates. Once you run the script, the output will look like this: IP address, region, country, and location. Ethical running. This tutorial is for educational purpose only. Never use this knowledge to harm or stalk others. Use it for learning, bug bounties, or OSINT research. That is how hackers and cybersecurity experts trace IP address and find their location. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content.